Withdrawing money from FuboTV to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a successful transaction. Step 1. Log into your FuboTV account. Visit the FuboTV website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select payment options. In the account settings, look for the payment options or billing section. Here, you can view your current payment methods and any available balance that can be withdrawn. Step 4. Initiate withdrawal. If you have a balance available for withdrawal, select the option to withdraw funds. You may need to enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm your bank account details. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from your FuboTV account to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to FuboTV customer support for assistance.